Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fitri Anissa. You can call me Fitri. I'm from the Office Administration Education Study Program Faculty of Economy State University of Jakarta. And here I will present the result of the field work practice report at the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office. My goal is to practice field work at the South Rawabadak Sub-District, namely 1. Encourage insight and work skill in the PTSP administration field, and 2. Gain insight into the world work directs and implement the theory learned in a lecture, and 3. Familiar students should dive to the condition of the work environment and delay train the discipline and responsibility of the practitioner in carrying out the tasks that have been given. The next slide is there are benefits of internship. First, student has a means to develop the skill and knowledge that has been learned at the time of lecture by implementing indirectly at the internship program reports. So for the Faculty of Economy, to see students in the world of work that they will face. And last, for the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office, creating a good relationship between the agency and the State University of Jakarta. And you can see this is a profile of the South Rawabadak village, whose address is a street Alur Laut number 7, Rawabadak Selatan, Kojak, Jakarta Utara, daerah khusus Ibu Kota Jakarta. So, why the reason I choose the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office? Why did I choose to do my internship here? Because I'm so interested in administrative service at the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office. Want to know how the administrative work process at the Sub-District Office. Want to work in one of the government or cooperative field in Indonesia. The next slide, history of the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office. The name of the regional sweep is the talk to have, come from the Latin word Rawabadak, which means a large or wide sweep on the easternmost side of the city of Jakarta, or old name Bata is a Batavia. There used to be an area of sweep. The South Rawabadak Sub-District is the result of the division of the Rawabadak village, based on the decree of the governor of the special capital. The Rawabadak Sub-District Office have a vision and mission. The vision is a comfortable and purpose Jakarta for all, and the mission is building good government by applying the principle of the good governance and serving the community with the principle of the excellent service, empowering the community with the principle of the giving authority to the community to recognize the problem they face and seek the best solution at the stage of planning. The next slide, you can see the slide. This is the organizational structure of the South Rawabadak Sub-District Office, and you can see the company general activity are divided into namely macro and micro. There are 3 areas of work that I do. So general company activities are macro. The Kelurahan office is in a chain of supporting government programs, is the field of community service and national development, talk serving and creating licensing and non-licensing service, which all later development into one. There I have 3 area of work I do. The one, check file and document, and the second, perform calculation and make a letter of determination of the regional retribution regarding permit to use cemetery lane, and the late validates the regional levy determination letter. You can see the when I am checking incoming file and document, the file or document of the permit to use cemetery land is a permit stating the that whether or not the thumb length is allowed in accordance with regional regulation No. 40 of 1840 concerning management of public cemetery permit to use cemetery land itself would later be the basis for granting the permit to use cemetery land in DKI. And you can see this is a reform calculation and make a letter of determination of regional retribution regarding permit to use cemetery land. This is the example for, and you can see this website the perform, and then you can see the example for SKRD that validate the thumb learn the script that has been paid. If the SKRD has been paid by the applicant, the practitioner validates that levy that has been paid, and the practitioner prints the learn birth permit atau EPT. After printing the EPT is signed by the leader, and after that is given to the applicant. The problem facing is the tax information given is still fast so date. The practitioner often feels confused in doing the exact text, and the list of computer facilities in the subsection of making a permit for the use of thumb lane. The way I overcome the obstacle is the practitioner does not understand the information conveyed by the communicator. This could be because the communicator does not adjust the way of delivering information to the practitioner as the communicator. Good excitement for superiors to employ should be delivered clearly, constantly, correctly, completely, and politely. And the practitioner use personal laptop to support the activity of street vendor of the South Rawa Badak Sub-District Office, where the practitioner brings a personal laptop due to the limited computer facilities provided, where the laptop is used by the practitioner to do work given by PTSP employee. All the conclusion is during the work practice at the PTSP sub-district office, the practitioner again gains a lot of knowledge and experience about the world of work that is useful for the practitioner later after graduating from college in facing the real world of work. Education for students are advised to prepare all the needs related to street vendors, and then for the faculty of economic, it is recommended for UNJ to establish cooperation with several agencies. And then for the South Rawa Badak Sub-District Office, the South Jakarta Rawa Badak Urban Village Office is advised to provide direction regarding the field of work to students. So everyone, thank you.